In this video, I will show you how to turn off online status both on Facebook app and Messenger. So if you want more privacy and appear offline while you're online, then this video is for you. So just follow each and every step shown in the video. And if you found this guide useful, consider giving a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tricks and tips. So without further ado, let's dive in. So now the first method, we're going to turn off online status using Facebook application. So go ahead and open your Facebook application and log in to your Facebook account. So after logging in, then click on those three lines here at the top right corner. Now scroll down to settings and privacy. Then select settings. Now here under settings and privacy, scroll down to audience and visibility. Then select the last option, active status. As you can see, your friends and connections can see when you are active or were recently active on this profile. So turn off, then select turn off. So by doing that, I've now turned off online status using a Facebook application. So now for the second method, we are going to turn off online status using the Messenger application. So go ahead and open your Messenger application and log into your account. So now after doing that, click on those three lines here at the top left corner. Then select that gear settings icon here at the top right corner. Then select active status, the second option. As you can see, it says it shows when you're active. So toggle that off. So guys, the best thing with this one, you can set time to which you'll post active status on your Facebook account. So choose the best time that suits you well. So I'll select until I change it, then select pause. So by doing that, you'll have now automatically turn off online status on Facebook using Messenger application. So guys, I hope you found value with those two methods that I shared today. So leave a like, share the video and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe.